Welcome back to GastroVision. In this segment, we'll learn how to visualize the upper part of the left portal vein from the cardia, also known as the intra-abdominal esophagus. Let's get into the imaging workflow. Begin at the GE junction and gently advance the echoendoscope 1 to 2 centimeters downward. Maintain clockwise torque. And there they are, segment 2 and segment 3 in full view. You'll notice the peripheral part of the left hepatic vein traversing through both segments. Now continue your clockwise rotation. You will see P2 and P3, the portal branches to segments 2 and 3, converging to form the upper part of the left portal vein. This is your key portal landmark in the left lobe. In this same position, look for two important fetal remnants. Ligamentum teres, visible on the lower left of the screen. Ligamentum venosum, seen on the upper right. Both are connected to the upper part of the left portal vein, superiorly to ligamentum venosum and inferiorly to ligamentum teres. These structures help you differentiate segments anatomically. Segment 3 lies near the transducer, above the upper part of the left portal vein. Segment 4B lies below the upper part of the left portal vein. This is one of the clearest differentiators for segment localization in the left lobe. Rotate further clockwise. Now, the transverse portion of the left portal vein appears, along with part of the middle hepatic vein. You'll notice something unique. The middle hepatic vein maintains a uniform diameter throughout its course, unlike the left hepatic vein and right hepatic vein, which often taper. Occasionally, you may even spot a small accessory hepatic vein joining the MHV. Keep rotating clockwise. The hilum comes into view, along with the right portal vein and liver segments 8 and 7. We're now transitioning into the right lobe orientation, with minimal withdrawal while maintaining clockwise torque. The right hepatic vein becomes visible, dividing segments 7 and 8. This confirms correct right lobe alignment. And that's how you identify the upper part of the left portal vein. With these landmarks, upper part of the left portal vein, ligamentum teres, ligamentum venosum, and hepatic veins, you will master liver orientation with confidence. Like this video if it helps streamline your EUS workflow. Subscribe to GastroVision for more expert EUS anatomy sessions. See you in the next video.